come to this house, I must go with something. Where is this, my friend?
Yes, who is that?
Please come, eh?
You want to spoil that gate? Oh, it is you.
Of course, it is me.
So you have come to pay my money, Abi?
You remember the face, Abi?
I remember your face.
You know you are my very good friend.
Mr. Borrow. Have you come with my money?
You just titled me a new name.
Yes. What of the money you borrowed last month? Have you come with the money, or do you want me to borrow you or nothing, or do you want me to get you arrested? Eh?
Have you forgotten? Wait, you are supposed to even be happy that I'm borrowing something from you. God, the Bible said, heaven help those who help themselves. And ask and it shall be given unto you. So you are supposed to be happy that I ask you something, and you are supposed to give me something, and I will not go without you giving me something. 2 Corinthians said, old things have passed away and new things has replaced them. Yes, now, and as you can see, me, I'm not a new creator.
My money, past money. You want to borrow on that one? Okay, you're not a new creation. You want to borrow on that money, Abi?
You know that's why you're my friend. I'm going to say and give you something.
It's new thing, Abi?
Of course.
Don't worry, just stay there. I'll give you something, eh? I'm trying to give you something.
Thank you, from our tradition.
I'll give you something, Abi.
Thank you.
Just wait, I'm coming, eh?
Exactly.
And I want to try to give you something.
This is my friend, eh? He can understand anything. Oh, God.
Me and my girls be bad. Me and my girls be bad. Yeah, we are bad. Tell them say we are bad.